Yo, what's going on out here? Now I cut the camera on, they ain't moving. These branches and twigs were moving, doing some spiritual things here a minute ago. And I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit. Look at this. There they go. Show 'em ain't lying. But they was rougher before I cut on this camera. This is when Mother Nature speaks. Speaks to me all the time. On my window. I ain't on nobody else's window, on my window. I'm gonna try to catch her ass again when she wound up. She wound up a minute ago. She really was. She ain't talking to me how she talking to y'all. But before I cut this camera on, this girl was really talking. Go ahead, get nasty with him. Show him I ain't lying. Come on, no, do what you was doing before. There you go. Show him what you was doing to me. Show him I ain't lying. Come on. Go ahead. Tell him about the hurt and pain. I'm listening. See that little he's shaking right there, y'all. I'm listening. Not only am I listening, I know. Y'all, when Mother Nature speaks. See, y'all, she don't bother y'all, she bother me. Mother Nature, I saw a spirit going to somebody's house at 4:19 a.m. in the morning. You know I ain't lying. I saw it. When he got to the yard, he evaporated. But they don't believe me. They think I'm lying. Do your dance, girl. Do your dance. You got something to say. Show them what's going on. Ain't nobody lying. Ain't nobody lying about nothing. Yeah, you mad. Get mad. I'd be mad too. As soon as I get this cut this camera off, we're gonna do some real wild stuff. That's why I don't even want to cut it off. At least they get a good help, but nobody lie. I see a pelican. I see a pelican right there. I see a wounded woman. Like, do y'all see some things in this picture? I see some shit. I see a bow and arrow. Go ahead and get routed. They think I'm lying. They probably think I'm lying about that spirit I saw last night at 4 a.m. too. They think I'm lying about logic. Go ahead and show them ain't no lying, Mother Nature. Go ahead and cut up. I see an ape. I see a monkey on the branch. They don't see that. I see a monkey on the fucking branch. Go ahead and cut up, Mother Nature. But they ain't gonna see no monkey on the branch because they don't have them type of eyes. I see a monkey. I see an ape swinging off the branch right there. She'll see. Plain sight. But it might not be plain a sight. Go ahead and get wild for 'em. Ain't nobody lying about nothing. They wish I was. I'm gonna sit right here. Mm-mm. No, I'm crazy. Ain't nothing that's going on. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Ain't none of it happened. I'm crazy. Mother Nature, I'm crazy. Mother, I'm crazy. Ain't none of it happening. I'm crazy. I'm the crazy one. No, ain't none of it happening. I lost my damn mind. Why would he be coming down the street yelling if your ass wasn't swinging like you was? Somebody knows something going on. You had to move for a while. Now his ass come down the street yelling like a siren down your ass blowing back and forth. Uh-huh. Yeah. No, but I'm the crazy one. I'm gonna cut this off at 18, y'all. Unless something else exciting. Yeah, I'm just in here enjoying Mother Nature. Oh, what I was talking about before I hit the record button. But I'm the crazy one. Get loose, get low, girl, shake that Laffy Taffy, shake that Laffy Taffy. But I'm making it all up. No, I ain't seen no spirit last night at 4:19, 4:18. I ain't seen no spirit going to nobody's house. I didn't see it. All the psychic readings, all the things that I give y'all, all the prosperous events that's finna happen, and they happen. But you won't give me my credit for? Ain't none of it happened. You can't see none of it. So I'm to blame because you can't see nothing of it. But I'm capturing some shit that you can't see right here. I'm capturing some shit that's the most closer to your physical eyes that you'll never be able to see in your invisible eyes as you as a human. But I can see it because Father, listen, I can see it. I'm the crazy one. I'm always making shit up. So I need to go to the hospital. I need to go get checked out. Yeah. Okay. When the lights on the motherfucker, they stop moving because they know motherfucker talk about it. But at some point, a zebra got to show his stripes. A leopard got to produce them spots at some point now. I don't give a damn what's going on. You sit there long enough, motherfucker got to show you who the fuck they is, Jack. I got to show y'all who I am after so long. Oh, it's so embarrassing. I see a pelican. I see a shark. I see a whale. No, but I'm sitting making this shit up. They get around it because they know I'm telling the truth. I see a flamingo. Get in the grass. I see a bow and arrow. I see a dartboard. What all can you see? Let me get my ass off here. I think y'all got the picture. I love the picture. Picture of Mother Nature. Mwah.